Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. And at the speaker we have a controls, so we need two volume control buttons, and right here we have it. To increase the volume you need to press at the plus button, or you can also press and hold, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. To lower the volume, use volume down button, and it have minus icon here, so you again press on it or press and hold, and as you can see at this widget it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.